hold up. Let me set this up for you, Salt. I'm gonna make sure that you can do your thing, okay? I'm gonna set this up for you, Salt. We're gonna move this. We're not gonna worry about money right now. I'm gonna teach you how to be an entertainer without being greedy, and you let the people make their own decisions, okay? All right, I need you to come over here, Salt. Come over here real quickly. Take this. Don't worry, don't be shy. The crowd loves you. Come on, come over here. Just give them $1 million smile. Sit down. Give them $1 million smile and they'll love you, all right? I'm gonna help you get on here, okay? Ready? Okay. Oh, I'm sweating on you. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. Salt is ready to do his thing. Now, when Salt does his thing, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to clap for me, but don't let the kid down, because this kid is a very important person. He took time out of his busy schedule of watching cartoons and eating candy to be here this afternoon. So when I introduce us again, show us some love, and we're going to get busy for you, and when we're done, that's going to be the time for you guys to come up and show us how much you appreciate us, okay? And before I do this, I want to let you know something as well. Me and Salt are doing this show for a very special person in our lives, our landlord. So don't forget, I need to be able to keep my apartment, okay? Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Salt and Pepper. All right, Salt, you ready? Hold up, let me pop your collar real quick. You need a little swagger. All right? Don't be shy, the ladies love you. Ready? Let's go, Salt. You ready?
Here we go. All right, just do what I do, okay? Just do what I do, Salt. Don't worry about nobody else. Just do what I do, okay? Ready? One. Come on.